In today's tutorial, we're learning how to cartoonify your images in Canva in just a few simple clicks, including the transition that you can see. And we're starting from a blank slide. Now we want to look for a nice portrait image. So go to Elements, and here we want to type in Portrait. Let's try Portrait Man. Click on Photos, See All, and here you can select any picture that you like. We're going to scroll down and let's select one. Let's choose this one, for example, and add it to the screen. Let's add it to full screen and duplicate the page so we can see the nice contrast before and after. Select the image, and now we go to the app section on the left, and here we want to type in cartoon. This gives us a whole bunch of options, and we want to choose this cartoonify. Select the image and click on cartoonify and replace, and this will turn your image into a cartoon image in Canva. You see that it takes a few seconds to load, and you will get a nice result in the end. Every day you get 3 credits that you can use for free. If you want more, you have to pay, but they reset every day. So it's a pretty nice tool to work with. Open the show pages, and now let's add a nice transition. Let's maybe do the circle wipe, so we have that effect, and then put it to full screen. And this is how you can turn your images into cartoons in Canva in just a few simple clicks. If you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.